Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how I built this premium looking website using nothing but Gemini 3.5 Flash. Just look at it, the clean section, the smooth animation, perfect spacing and the modern design. The crazy part is, I didn't just write the code. I start with the website link, few screenshots and a screen recording video. First, let me brief about the steps. So these are the steps we're gonna take. We're gonna use the reference website to copy the structure by taking screenshots, screen recording and use that live website URL. And using that three assets, we're gonna create an implementation plan. Then we convert that plain text to a Markdown file where AI can go through the Markdown file way easier than normal PDFs. And using the Markdown file, we're gonna create the front end. And finally, we're gonna improve that website step by step. And that's the whole steps. And before getting started, don't forget to subscribe and you can find all the assets in the description, like the prompts and everything. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, first let me start with showing you a wonderful website. So this is the website and this is called dblongboard.webflow.io. That's a long name. I don't mind the name. I just love the animations, the video, the layout structure and everything this website has. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the structure, layout and the style and everything. I mean, not the whole website. And for that, we need three things. First, we need the link of this website. We have that right over here. Second, we need the screenshot from top to bottom, from header to footer. And it's a long process. Take that and then also take the screen recording video by going through all the cards, the animation step by step, slowly and smoothly. And after that, we're gonna use that three assets to create the implementation plan, and that will get you our website similar to this one. I mean, not the exact one, but similar. So let's do that. Okay, I will just come after creating all the screenshots and screen recording video. Just like that, we took all the screenshots, screen recording, and we have the link of this website. And after that, we're gonna use the Gemini 3.5 Flash that's inside the Google AI Studio. There is some settings we need to change. So the thing level is high and turn on the URL context. These two are really important. Now let's just paste the prompt and create that powerful implementation plan. Oh, paste the prompt right over here. And so this is the whole prompt. And here we need to add the three assets. I mean, recording video, screenshots, and the link. Let's copy the link first. Copy. And then paste the URL right over here. And we have added the URL. Okay, now let's upload the screenshots. Okay, we have added the screenshots. Now let's add the screen recording video we took. And we have added that screen recording video. Now let's just enter. So what Gemini gonna do is it's gonna go through the link, screenshots and the video step by step, and then gonna create a powerful implementation plan for us. So as you can see, it's writing the implementation plan. Just read it from top to bottom and make sure everything is right. Yeah, and if you're okay with it, come over here and copy as Markdown. And now let's create a Markdown file. So to create a Markdown file, I'm in Visual Code Studio and there is a new update, I guess. Okay, anyway, just come over here and open new file and name it as plan. Okay, .mt. Don't forget to add that .mt at the end, and then create a new file and save it in the main folder. And then I'm gonna just paste the whole thing we have copied from Gemini 3.5 Flash built for us. And this is the whole implementation plan. And rather than leaving like this, make sure you have gone to file and save it. Okay, and now we have successfully created an implementation plan that can be added anywhere we want. This is an MD file, as you can see. They can go through it very easily rather than in a PDF file. So make sure you have saved. Then I'm going to show you how to use this. I'm going to execute the plan like building the front end, but before that I want to include one important fact. So as you can see, this is our implementation plan, and if you want to change the logo name, the text and everything, you need to just change it by text, tapping on and write it whatever you want, and then come over here and save it. Okay, only after that use this Markdown file in the prompt I'm gonna show you, and paste the prompt right over here. And let's add that Markdown file. Added, and this is our Markdown file. And all we need to do is just build it. It's gonna take about 2-3 minutes to build the entire front end. And patience is really important right over here. So let's just wait and see how it's gonna turn out. And just like that, we got the result. Let me just full screen it. So this is the hero section, and our menu card is kinda good, but I think there is a code error, but we can fix that. And when we scroll down, you can see all the images, how sections are all arranged. and there is some scrolling animation right over here, I mean in text wise. So there is an animation here, the image is kind of moving forward and it's pretty cool. And yeah, so this is the front end we have created. It's pretty nice, right? And it's going down and down, and yeah, that's it. How about we give a breathing space right over here? Screenshot this issue, download, and write the prompt, and then add the screenshot. So this is a screenshot we took, and then just enter. And we're gonna also solve this menu issue here. Screenshot that specific thing, select the area. Yeah, point that out. Right over here. Okay, download. Let's just wait till it finish fixing this, and then we're gonna write a prompt to fix the menu card. And just like that, we have fixed our breathing space. I mean, here you can see we have gave a breathing space for each section. As you can see, we gave so much breathing space, and now it looks so premium and good. Now let's fix the menu card. We already took a screenshot for it. So okay, now let's write the prompt, then add the screenshot of the issue, and then enter. And I definitely know it's gonna fix the menu problem, but after that I need to fix one more thing, that is removing this random text from this particular hero section, because it's spoiling the whole mood. So I want to remove the text that is marked as blue. Okay, not the scrolling text, but just this highlighted text. Take a screenshot of what we want to remove, download. Just like that, we have fixed our menu issue. Now let's just fix this over text. Write the prompt, then add the screenshot, then enter it, and with that we have finished fixing everything, and we have removed that text. And this is the full screen. As you can see, it's a wonderful scrolling hero section right now. You can add videos here to make it even look premium. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you with next awesome video. Thank you for watching.